Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Great Locks. I'm Gunther the Great, and today we are looking at your guys' dreadlocks. You guys are all the subscribers, everyone who follows Great Locks. We're going to be looking at Instagram today, so if you're following me on Instagram, you have the opportunity to be featured on this video. I believe I've done one other video on this and you guys enjoyed it and you guys keep requesting this video, so I definitely wanted to do it for you guys. So without further ado, let's just jump straight into Instagram and we'll get right into it. If you guys haven't already, make sure to go check out the Instagram page, go give it a follow so you can get featured in the next video of this. I plan on doing like a little series. I've done a bunch of these on the Gunther the Great channel, but I've never done it with the subscribers or the followers on this channel. So make sure to go give us a follow on Great Locks. We're actually almost at 3,100 followers. Let's check out everyone in here. It's easier for me to find you guys if you have dreadlocks in your profile picture so that I can review your dreadlocks. So look at this guy right here. And he has like just a pineapple top. He has like some sort of high top dreads, I believe. And they look pretty clean. They almost look like mine. They remind me of mine when my hair was a little shorter. And they easily do look like my dreadlocks. But take it even a further look, it almost looks like he has more of a straighter hair. And the reason I say he has a straighter hair is because if you look at the frizziness at the tips of his dreadlocks, they look like more of a straighter hair. He might have like a curly hair to him. It looks like he's mixed with black somewhere. Here's a really cool picture. He actually has his hair bleached at the tips. And yeah, it looks really clean. They're very maintained, which is really good. And I like that look. I like a very maintained look. It always looks really cool. Every person that I look at on this video, make sure to go blow up their comment section and tell them that they're featured in this video so they can come watch. So let's see who else we can find. Ran into a straight hair dreadlocker and their profile image is super dope. I like that hairstyle, but she actually doesn't wear that hairstyle very often, mostly just down. But it is clean. I always like watch people with straight hair dreadlocks just because not that many people have it like that. Or I would say that not many people are respected for having straight hair dreadlocks, but they still do it anyway, and I think that's really cool. Oh, this dude has some dope dreads, and that style is just super clean, half up, half down, and his hair is really thick, and I like that hairstyle. Me personally, I just think that freeform like hair, not necessarily all the way freeform, but like semi-freeform, which people call it, or just like any type of freeform look, which I think he just has his hair pulled up right here, and his hair is just kind of in a puffy coil, and that's probably just why his hair looks like that, but I like that look. It looks really clean. I'm about to actually look at my DMs because a lot of people DM me their dreadlocks and want me to review them. These dreadlocks are actually really cool. I like the way these look, and how I mentioned earlier how like the freeform look, I just think it looks really good. It's very natural, and it just, in my opinion, looks really clean. Even though it seems the opposite of clean, but I just think it looks like a really cool look just because it goes with a lot of things. Like I feel like when you dress up with this hair, like it still looks cool. Like we look at Basquiat, we look at The Weeknd, we look at a lot of people who had freeform hairstyles and they just look cool on them. And this looks like a younger kid, so it's really cool seeing that. And they look really developed. The thing about freeforms is they always look super mature. All right, y'all, we'll look at one more and then we'll save the rest for a part 3. Here's a guy that is very familiar to me. I just stumbled across his page again, but this is the Mythos Collective vlog, and he actually has a YouTube channel. Make sure to go to his Instagram and follow up on his YouTube and subscribe because he has a pretty good channel. But at the same time, he does have really cool dreadlocks. His dreadlocks remind me a lot of mine, and a lot of people's dreads do. Just because looking at them close up, they look very similar to mine. Like the dreads in the front look exactly like mine, and they look very well maintained. Obviously my hair is not all the way maintained, but there are some dreadlocks that are really mature and some that aren't really as mature. And I think that's one of my favorite things about my dreadlocks is that they're all different. This is actually a cool hairstyle. It looks like he takes pretty good care of his dreadlocks with maintaining them with twisting with gel and everything like that. But yeah, overall cool set of locks. And I feel like everyone who follows me has like really cool sets of dreads. And I think that's really cool that a lot of my followers and a lot of my subscribers have really cool hair. And I'm like, yo, you guys have dope hair. So if you want to be featured in the next video, make sure to follow me on Great Locks. And I'm also going to start doing more promos and shout outs on the Instagram page. I'm going to try to get more into that. Show you guys love, kind of give back to you guys because you guys have given me so much with supporting me on the channel. But other than that, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.